This is the InDesign CC tutorial. Let's start. So go to the file and open. And I want you to find InDesign folder. There's a tutorial. There's 11 interactive PDF. And I want you to click 11 interactive. Click open. So I want to show that this. So this is page 1. This is page 2, page 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is kind of, showed the brochure. But this time, not the printing, but I want to make an interactive PDF which has a hyperlink and has some bookmark or button and fonts. Okay, so in here I recommend let's using workspace interactive for PDF because we need some of the panel and find here. We can still find the window and interactive. There's animation and buttons, hyperlink, but this will be a little bit more easier. Okay, so what we need to do, so go to page 1. Okay, I'm this leaf and motor and that first page. Okay, and I want to go to hyperlink and go to right side, click a new hyperlink. So this one I want to the page. So basically if I want to click this area, I want to have a 5. Okay, and then default will be the hyperlink. Okay, click OK. So the problem is this is hyperlink, but it's the same as kind of Word or documentation. Hyperlink, it has the underline and those colors change, which not what I want. So I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna revise, double click, and I'm gonna change with a none. So style will be not apply. Click OK. So if I click, it'll be go to page 5. Okay. So and we also want to apply. If I click the logo, I want to go to the company website, and I want to have a button. First page, previous page, go to next page, and last page. Okay, because I want to be interactive. It's like an ebook. Okay, so let's go to the page, but I want to apply all the pages. So that's why we want to go to master. Double click your master page. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, the selection tool, I'm gonna click this logo, leaf and motor, and go to hyperlink and right click in this sub menu and new hyperlink. So this one I want the URL. So here I have put my kind of link previously, but if you want it, you can also put school website if you want to kind of see that. Okay, so there's like a HTTP and then that is kind of website for company. So I'm gonna link to that. This is object, so will not apply any of kind of character style, and that will be invisible rectangle, so nothing is visible. Okay, click OK. So there's the first one is logo hyperlink, and this is kind of hyperlink. You will see they click to select the source and go to URL, and leaf and motor that text and click the select source, and this is go to destination, which are page 5. Okay, let's create a button. So actually this enter for size full screen, this is already I create a button, and I'm gonna show that how we can create the button here. So I'm the selection tool, I'm gonna click this triangle shape. Okay, and you need to go to button and fonts. Okay, and this type we want to be a button, and this button will be first page. Okay, and there will be action plus, and you need to go to first page. Okay, that looks good. So you see that now there's kind of button icon is pop up. So I create button. That looks good. So let's click the another one. Okay, and I'm in the button and forms. Just click. So you need to select it. I'm gonna change to the button. This is just regular object. It's not button. It's just triangle. So I'm gonna click the button, and this will be previous page. button name so I can kind of find it. So event, regularly, on, release, or tab will be kind of working fine. And I'm gonna plus and go to previous page. Okay, this button is done. And I'm gonna click this button, another object. Okay, go to button and forms. I'm gonna apply to the button, and this will be next page. So plus action, I'm gonna go to next page. Okay, I'm gonna click the last triangle, go to button and forms, and I'm gonna change to the button, and this will be last page, and action plus go to last page. Okay, that looks good. So I create 2 hyperlink, and I create this 4 button. Okay, so each. Okay, but somehow this one didn't change. Let's go. Okay, maybe it's changed, but maybe just a small, I cannot see that. Okay, so there's a button. Okay, this one, first page, this is previous page, and this one, it's next page. Okay, maybe I didn't click this enter button, so it was not changed. And this one, it's last page. Okay, so now it's kind of button name is correct. And this one's kind of full screen. Okay, normal and normal. Okay, seems good. So I'm gonna go to the page, and I'm just going to kind of first page. Okay, so just one more time. In first page, I only have a hyperlink in here to the another page, page 5. And I need to go to, and after that, I went to the master page. And you see that this kind of link. So I have a hyperlink to the company website, and I have this 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons. Okay, so go to the file, save as. This is interactive. I want you to put your name, click save. And here's important, go to the file and export. There are options, there's a other PDF interactive, which are good for all the hyperlink, books, bookmarks, and button forms and media. This time we're only using hyperlink and buttons. Okay, so make sure it's interactive and save. Okay, and this one, I think default seems fine. And I want to go to compression. I want to be 150 because website usually 75 resolution, it seems fine. But some images or text, people will do more zoom in. So 150 will be better choice. Okay, click export. Click OK. Okay, so I'm gonna hide InDesign and I'm gonna play with. So this is kind of automatically open in PDF in this PDF file, interactive PDF in the preview, and I'm gonna go to. Okay, so maybe I don't need the preview. Okay, let's see. Okay, so do you remember? And if I click this live and motor, go to page 5, right? And if I go to this company logo, Safari is open, and go to this, lynda.com kind of website, right? Okay, and I need to play with this one. So next page, 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 next page. Okay, and let's go to the first page. Okay, next, go to next, and this is previous. So all button is working fine. Okay, so this interactive PDF will be good for your portfolio. So when you kind of apply job, maybe they need to have all your work here, but kind of PDF format. So if you print printed PDF sometimes work, but if you want to include some of the hyperlink, let's say your own website and your portfolio, and you want to make some of the button, maybe you want to include some of the or video or animation, interactive PDF works better. Okay, this is end of tutorial.